Welcome back to Funny Reverse, where the best experiments don't just go boom, they go on boom. Today, we're rewinding some amazing science you can try at home, featuring experiments from the creative minds at 5-Minute Magic. Let's reverse time, starting from the last experiment, back to the first, and watch what happens when science gets undone. First up in reverse, the dish soap experiment. Normally, dish soap breaks the surface tension of milk or colored water, sending dyes racing away from the center. But here in reverse, the swirling colors retreat inward, peacefully gliding back to the drop point. It's like the liquid says, "Let's take that back," and the magic resets. Soothing, hypnotic, and satisfying to watch. Next, the ice and salt reaction. Salt typically melts ice fast by disrupting the freezing point, creating cracks, textures, and slush. But in reverse, it's a scene of healing. The ice fuses back together, salt vanishes, and those frozen fractures seal up like a time-lapse restoration. Nature restores itself, and cold becomes whole again. And finally, smoke in a bottle. Originally, a flame builds pressure that forces smoke inside the bottle, a trick of fire and physics. But played backward, the smoke calmly escapes back into the air. The cork leaps out. The pressure unwinds. It's like the bottle gently exhales a smoky breath, undoing the whole experiment in reverse serenity. These aren't just cool science experiments, they're visual stories in reverse. You've seen action. Now you've seen reaction undone. You've seen science. Now you've seen magic in reverse motion. Thanks to the amazing creators at 5-Minute Magic for the original video. Clapperboard, check it out here. https://youtube.be/kyx-ktkuptc. At Funny Reverse, we believe every explosion, splash, or reaction deserves a second chance, backward. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because sometimes the coolest moments happen when we hit rewind.
I start my day in silence. Where are my slippers? Where's my notebook? My dreams, write them down. Write down your dreams. Write down your dreams. Don't forget to write down your dreams. More silence. More silence. And now, it's time to go. My journey to where I'm going is steady and still silent. I gather my belongings and my clothes, my garments, my gloves, my socks, my heels, and I put them together in a way that I'm telling a story with my appearance. The silence starts to